TruckLive gives you and your truck all the advantages of digital connectivity and increases your truck's efficiency in no time at all. You can access TruckLive in just a few clicks in My TruckPoint, which is easy to use and fully digitalized. Get access to all important system parameters such as AdBlue fill level, brake wear and tire pressure for an easy overview of your vehicle's condition at all times. Integrated maintenance management enables you to easily plan, combine and shorten your pit stops ahead and avoid unnecessary downtimes. Real-time traffic data, connected traffic warnings and dynamic routing additionally help you to reach your destination faster and safer. Over-the-air updates keep your vehicle's software up to date effortlessly. And even if anything does go wrong, you can easily report it online via My TruckPoint. With our TruckLive service 24 hours connected, your truck shares its geographical location and the diagnostic data for fast and professional breakdown assistance. So your truck gets back quickly to where it earns money, on the road. TruckLive, your free connectivity solution.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.